Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Let me start with a quick question. Have you ever filled out a feedback form after shopping online or participated in a customer satisfaction survey? If yes, then you have already experienced the most common and powerful data collection tool, which is the questionnaire. In this session, we will learn what a questionnaire is, why it is important, and how you can design and use it effectively in research. Before we talk about questionnaires, we need to understand why data collection is so important in research. So, data is the backbone of research. If the data is inaccurate, the conclusions will also be misleading. Good data collection ensures the validity and reliability. It provides the evidence that researchers need to support decisions. Whether it's in business, healthcare, or education, accurate data collection drives meaningful change. Without it, even the best research ideas fail. Now, what exactly is a questionnaire? A questionnaire is a structured set of questions designed to collect information from respondents in a systematic and standardized way. Imagine you want to know the shopping preferences of 1,000 customers. You cannot interview each person individually because it would take too much time. Instead, you prepare a questionnaire and share it online or offline. This tool saves time, money, and effort while still giving you the reliable data. Now, let's explore the key feature that makes questionnaires popular. There are mainly three key features. First, they follow a structured format which ensures that all respondents receive the same questions. Second, they use standardized questions, so the data is consistent and easy to analyze. Third, they are flexible. You can use them in print, online surveys, mobile apps, or even email. This adaptability makes them suitable for research in any field. Now, let's look at the different types of questionnaires. There are three major types. The first is open-ended, where respondents can express their views freely. For example, what do you think about online education? This gives detailed insights. The second is close-ended, where respondents choose from given options like multiple choice or yes-no questions. These are quick to analyze and perfect for large-scale surveys. The third type is mixed, which combines the both approaches. This is useful when you want both statistical data and detailed opinions. So, how do you design an effective questionnaire? Designing an effective questionnaire requires careful planning. Firstly, define your research objectives. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Secondly, write clear and simple questions. Avoid technical terms that may confuse the respondents. Thirdly, arrange your questions logically. Start with easy, general questions and then move to specific ones. Finally, conduct a pilot test. This means sharing your questionnaire with a small group first to identify any problems before you launch it widely. Even with good design, you need to follow some best practices to make it truly successful. Keep the questionnaire short and focused. Long surveys lead to fatigue and incomplete responses. Avoid leading or biased questions like asking, "Don't you agree that our product is the best?" Must ensure confidentiality. If respondents feel safe, they will give the honest answers. Following these practices will improve both the response rate and the quality of your data. Now, let's look at the strengths and weaknesses of the questionnaires. On the positive side, questionnaires are cost effective. You can distribute them to hundreds or thousands of people with minimal expense. They are also easy to distribute and provide standardized data, making analysis easier. However, questionnaires also have limitations. Response rates can be low, especially online. Respondents may misinterpret the questions without the researcher present to clarify. and they often lack the depth you can get from interviews. Knowing these strengths and weaknesses helps you to plan better. So, where are questionnaires actually used? The answer is almost everywhere. In business, companies use them for market research, customer feedback, and product testing. In academics, researchers use them for surveys in education, psychology, and social sciences. In social research, they are used to measure opinions, behaviors, and trends. Their versatility is what makes them one of the most powerful tools in research. To summarize, questionnaires are an effective, structured, and affordable tool for data collection. They allow researchers to collect standardized data quickly and efficiently. Yes, they have some limitations like low response rates and limited depth, but with careful design and best practices, questionnaires can deliver accurate and meaningful results. If you are planning a research project, questionnaires can be one of your best options. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow researchers, and subscribe for more insights.